100 easy English sentences. Start your day right. Breakfast. Sentences about breakfast. I am hungry. I am hungry. What should I eat? What should I eat? I will make some coffee. I will make some coffee. The coffee smells nice. The coffee smells nice. I will toast some bread. I will toast some bread. Let me add butter to the toast. Let me add butter to the toast. I will fry an egg. I'll fry an egg. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. Let's enjoy breakfast. Let's enjoy breakfast. Let's enjoy breakfast. The sentences about planning the day. What's my plan for today? What's my plan for today? I need to make a to-do list. I need to make a to-do list. I have so much to do. I have so much to do. I have so much to do. Let me write it down. Let me write it down. I will start with important task. I will start with important task. Don't forget the meeting. Don't forget the meeting. I will take a break later. This is my schedule for today. This is my schedule for today. This is my schedule for today. Sentences about leaving the house. I need my keys. I need my keys. Where is my wallet? Where is my wallet? Let me grab my bag. Let me grab my bag. I should wear my jacket. I should wear my jacket. I should wear my jacket. The weather looks nice. The weather looks nice. It's time to leave. It's time to leave. It's time to leave. Let me lock the door. Let me lock the door. Let me lock the door. I will take the bus today. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sentences about staying positive. Today will be a great day. Today will be a great day. I will stay positive. I will stay positive. I will stay positive. Let's work hard today. Let's work hard today. I will do my best. I will do my best. I will do my best. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new beginning. Thanks for watching.